All right, you've planned, you've created an agenda, and we are still in the design phase of this process. But now we move on to the fun part. Well, it's all fun, but this is the most fun, in my opinion. It's time to create the board where you will host the session. In other words, it's time to bring your plan to life. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by designing a whole session, don't worry, Lucid's got you covered.
Again, within your team folder, right-click and select Create from Template. Find the template named Frame Structure. This template is perfect for getting you started.
Once you've opened the template on a new board, you'll want to transfer the relevant information from your agenda and your planning document. Things like purpose, outcomes, and the actual agenda. Anything that your participants might need to know for the session. You'll notice that this session template is set up with frames that are designed and ready for your session-specific information.
As a best practice, we've discovered that you'll want to build out content in Lucidspark from left to right and top to bottom, similar to the way you would read a book. This ensures that people follow your flow of information.
If you want to keep participants from getting ahead of you, use the Show and Hide feature to hide frames before you're ready to use them. You can also lock down items on your board to keep participants from moving things around accidentally. From here, create a path from the frames. This will ensure that people engage with the content in the order you intended. When you've got everything arranged how you'd like, send out your session invite with all the details. Clarity in the invite is just as important as clarity in the flow of your session. So for our Tori's Tacos creative ideation session, our invite might look something like this. Who? You and your team members. What? A creative ideation session for new marketing campaigns. When? 24th from 10 to 2. Where? In person and via Zoom, see link. How? We will use this Lucidspark board, see link. Remember to add any helpful resources that might be needed to enable participation in the session. The team at Tori's Tacos is not as familiar with Lucidspark, so we're going to add a video to the invite to ensure they know how to zoom and pan, use sticky notes, add a text box, access breakout boards, and participate non-verbally with emojis, GIFs, and images. And feel free to add any additional details. Wear comfortable clothes. Be camera ready because we will request that all cameras, including those in person, be turned on. Have a snack or a drink nearby in case you get hungry or thirsty during the session. Lunch will be provided for those in the office, and lunch credit will be sent to those joining remotely. And just like that, you've done all the planning, designing, and agenda adjusting needed to have a successful session. You're ready to send out your invites. Continue on in the course to practice on your own. We'll see you back here soon.